How to create Google Drive link to share files. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive and then press on New located at top left corner of your screen. After you've clicked on New, click on New Folder. Then simply add new folder's name and then press on Create. After you've pressed on Create, folder will be created. And to add anything in that folder, double click on the folder and then click on New again at the top left, and then simply select the file you want to upload. After it's uploaded, if you just want to share this file, right click on the file and then you will find share option pop up. Click on share, again click on share. Then you will find copy link option. Simply click on copy link. After you've clicked on copy link, you can send the link to the people you want to send to. After you have done that, if you want to share the whole folder, what you can do is go back, right click on the folder, press on share, and then press on share. In here you will find copy link. Copy the link and send it to people. In this way, you can share file links. This is how to create Google Drive link to share files. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.